Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So today, as you can tell, I filmed this Gucci inspired makeup look. I was inspired by Tina Halada's look that she did on YouTube, and also Tepha doll. I don't know if you guys follow her on Instagram or Twitter. She's really good. They had different looks. They both had the snakes and then kind of different eye looks, so I kind of combined both of those. If you're new to my channel, my name is Zakaila. Welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can follow me on social media at zbeautyqueen15. You can see behind the scenes on Snapchat, and I post daily. Keep up with me on Instagram. I always post on there. Very consistent on there. Please click that subscribe button below, and might as well hit that notification bell as well so you can get notified whenever I upload. Let's just jump into this video. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. So I already did my brows and prepped my eyes, and then did the first 3 colors on this eye just to save time. And so yeah, I started off with my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. This palette is amazing, with so many color options and neutral options, and I'm so obsessed with it, and the fact that the transition shades are bigger. And so I started off with this orangey transition shade right here. So yeah, as you can see, I'm kind of just placing the product in this spot and then blending, or if I were to try to go and sweep it, I feel like it wouldn't work as well. And so I'm just gonna slowly blend out this spot and kind of work my way into the middle of my eye and then into the inner corner. So once I kind of place the product back and forth lightly like this, I'll just go and do little tiny circles to blend it out. I'm using as light a hand as I can, especially since it's not set. You want to make sure to use a light hand so that you don't get like patchy eyeshadow and have it stick to the concealer unevenly. So you want to make sure to really use a light hand for this. Okay, so now that the orange is nice and blended out, I'm going to be going in with like a lightish brown, just because I'm going to be going in with black after, and I want there to be a nice smooth transition from the orange to the black. So you're not really going to be able to tell the brown as much. As you can see, you can't really see it. It's going to really help not have a line between like the black and the orange. I went in with this transition shade right here on the end, this like milk chocolatey brown. Okay, and I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit just because I feel like we're doing my eyes, so you should be a little bit closer and yeah, get in there. Oh, I didn't tell you what brush I used before. I just used this fluffy one. And then yeah, for this one I'm going to be going in with this fluffy tapered brush from Morphe. Doesn't say I have a number or name because it came in a set. So I'm going to just be taking this milk chocolatey color and doing windshield wiper motions in the crease. And Morphe's palettes are super pigmented, so I'm going to make sure to very slowly add product and then blend, especially when you're just starting out learning how to blend and use blacks. And then like usual, I'm just going to go back in with that first orangey transition color. Not much, mainly just the brush. I tapped it like ever so slightly in the pan, but I'm just going to go back over top of that line and just lightly spread that back in the transition just to bring that back, because the brown kind of washed out a little bit. Okay, so now that these 2 shades are blended out pretty well, I'm going to go in with this black color right here from the palette, just on this bottom corner. And as you can see, I just blended it out. It's not super pigmented now. After I cut my crease, I'll go back in the inner corner and make it more pigmented. And I'm just going in with, wow, I use these so much. What is this? The Morphe R, I don't know, it's very worn off, but it's just this tapered blending brush. And when using blacks, it's just really important. Just go slow. Don't try to rush it. You'll regret it, trust me. Just go slow, go in lightly, and go lower so you have room to blend it up. Okay, so I did my foundation, concealer, and bronzer. I don't know what it is about the Hourglass Vanish Stick, but it makes my skin look really bad and dry, and it always clings to my dry patches, like dry patches I didn't even know I had before. So I don't know, maybe it might be just like the shade I have, or I don't know what it is, but yeah, that's just what I'm noticing. So I'm gonna go in with face paint. I accidentally wetted it already, so I don't want to lift it up or it's gonna drip red everywhere, but since I'm doing like this Gucci inspired look, so yeah, I'm gonna take red face paint and start to carve out the snake. Okay, so now I'm gonna dip back into my Morphe 39A Dare to Create, and I'm going to take that black once again and put it on my waterline. Well, on my lash line, not my waterline. I'm gonna see if I can do a cool, like, green. Now I'm gonna be taking this eyeliner from Ofra. Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some highlighter by NARS and some Too Faced, what is this? Love Flush blush. Now I'm going to spray my face with some Pixie The Glow Mist. And then for the lips, I'm going to go on with the Smashbox liquid lipstick in Boss. Okay, and now I'm just gonna set this bitch with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm just gonna... Okay guys, this is the final look. I really didn't have an exact idea what I was gonna go with it. I knew I wanted to combine both Tina and Tepha's looks together, but I didn't exactly know where I was going with it. I knew I was gonna do like orange transition and black outer corner and maybe like some sort of green in the middle. I used the green from the Jaclyn Hill palette and it looks a little bit more blue, I feel like, but I am fine with that. I really like how it turned out, and then I really wanted some gold accents, so I added glitter to the cut crease and then gold flakes in the middle. And yeah, the snake is not as good as I wanted it to be, but I just really did not have the right brushes, and the face paint I was using was not really, it was just like too runny. It wouldn't stay where I put it, if that makes sense. So yeah, I really need to find some really good tiny like precision brushes like that they use for like nail designs, like real small stuff, so I can really have control. But all in all, I had a lot of fun challenging myself. I've been really excited to try to do this look, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you. Bye!